I like to think that the journey is more important than the destination. And this is why a few days ago I tossed a coin to make this decision for me. Number one is Italy, and the backside is Switzerland. Ciao amici, benvenuto in Italia. The odds have spoken, my friends, and in the next few days I'm going to be discovering presumably one of the most beautiful mountain ranges in the world, Dolomites in northern Italy. The first place I'm going to be discovering in the Dolomites is probably also the most touristic one, Lago di Braies, or Lake Braies. And what makes this place so popular amongst everyone? First of all, it's gorgeous, but also it's really easily accessible. This gives a little clue how touristic is that place. Even in open air, they want everyone to wear masks. And wherever sun hits the lake, it is just so clear. But my friends, the mountains are calling, and I will answer that call. I was just on my way to Tre Cime de Lavaredo, the three peaks of Lavaredo, but the road ahead of me is closed. I just found this small track, and I'm hoping that maybe it will bring me to a viewing point. Dolomites, also known as the Pale Mountains, are arguably the best known part of European Alps. There's also a lot of reason for this, because all over northern Italy there are those limestone giants just standing out of the ground. In the daytime, they're pale white. In the evening at the sunset, they soak in the color of the sun. They turn red, they turn orange. And I think it's quite interesting that around 250 million years ago, those huge mountains were under the sea. Imagine hiking up 3 kilometers and then finding a skeleton of a fish inside a rock. Nature is just magnificent. It's just me over here. It's so peaceful, it's so calm. This little tea tour was a total bliss. But I'm gonna start heading back down now, and it turns out I never learn.
I went by your house, what a big mistake.
The cable cars don't drive at the moment. There is a possible hike, but I don't know how long it's gonna be, and it's not very promising. But still, here we go.
Just open your eyes and take my advice. Stop rolling the dice and just compromise. It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life. Right now, every mistake makes you feel like a fake. Take control of your own life.
I'm literally just following some animal tracks. We got fox trails, we got deer.
Without any thought, I keep moving on.
Whoa.
I don't even care if my soul is gone.
I've been hiking Seceda for about 2 hours now. What bothers me is that it's getting late. The sun is not too high anymore. Don't get me wrong, I'm loving every moment of it. Look at that. Just bloody look at that.
It's the chance of your life.
Music really helps.
Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life.
My heart beats about 200 times per minute. I've drained every bit of my energy and the sun is going down. Even if I have to spend the night on this freezing mountain, I'm still sure it's gonna be worth it. I did it. Seceda was probably the best hike that I've ever done. Now the race with time begins. The sun has gone down and I don't know if I'm gonna find my way back in pitch darkness. I'm back. It's about 7 o'clock, so the hike took me over 6.5 hours. It was amazing. It was just amazing. But I'm so tired. I just found out that tomorrow snowstorms are hitting Dolomites, and I really don't want to be driving on snowy mountain roads with a 3.5-ton van. Today's vlog from the Dolomites definitely was not what I planned it to be. There were many tracks that were closed, many places I couldn't go, but in a way it was also so much more, just the peace and tranquility that this place has and the opportunity to experience it all alone. And if I had to compare so far in my life, Dolomites have been the most beautiful mountain range that I've seen. And on this note, it's time to end today's vlog, and I will see you again next Thursday. I'm gonna head south, so there's gonna be more of Italy coming up.